Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but super useful trick, how to highlight the day of the week right inside TradingView. Whether you're a beginner who's just getting comfortable with charting or a seasoned trader looking to add an extra layer of clarity to your analysis, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly spot which day you're looking at, making it way easier to spot patterns and avoid any confusion as you follow the markets. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, fire up your web browser and head over to TradingView. If you're already logged in, you should see your familiar dashboard right away. If not, just take a moment to log in. Don't worry, this process won't take long at all, and you'll be up and running in no time. TradingView's home page is where it all begins, so just land there and make sure you're seeing that top navigation bar. Next, look toward the top of the page and find the Products tab. It's usually nestled right up there with other key features. Give that a click. This Products menu is your gateway to all of the major tools TradingView offers: charts, screeners, and of course our target today. Indicators, think of it like opening the toolbox before you start a project. Everything you might need is right in front of you. From here, the next step is to click on Indicators, also located at the top. It might be just called Indicators and Strategies, depending on your display. Opening this takes you to TradingView's powerful indicator library. This is where you can turbocharge your chart analysis, adding everything from moving averages to volume heat maps. But today, we're focusing on a neat filter called Day of Week. Now there's a handy search bar right at the top of the Indicators menu. Type in Day of Week. As you start typing, TradingView will begin narrowing down the list for you, so you don't have to scroll endlessly. If you're unfamiliar with these tools, it's a bit like searching your contact list for a friend's name. It saves a ton of time. Once you see Day of Week pop up in the list, go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you're telling TradingView to add a visual highlight for each session of the week directly onto your chart. Why is this helpful? Well, if you've ever found yourself wondering whether a particular spike happened on a Monday or a Friday, this will make it crystal clear. It's especially useful if you're analyzing recurring trends that happen on specific days, like price action at the start of the week or volatility heading into the weekend. After you've added the indicator, you're not stuck with the default look. If you want to personalize how these highlights appear, just click on the indicator's name or the little gear icon that pops up next to it, usually at the top of your chart. Here you can tweak the settings, change the colors, adjust opacity, or set exactly which days to emphasize. It's a chance to make sure things look just the way you like, matching your own workflow and preferences, and that's it. You've successfully added a highlight for the day of the week, and now your charts offer that extra bit of context at a glance. If at any point you want to remove or further adjust things, just hop back into the indicator's settings. TradingView makes it really easy to change things on the fly. Alright, I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want tips for customizing your charts even further, drop your thoughts down in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.